Okay Phil, so here's this pit bike I was on about. This is the aluminium frame, it's all machined. That is just one solid piece of aluminium and it's welded together, as you can clearly see. This isn't anything like normal ones you see, this is solid aluminium. Well, up to here, and I believe this is an extrusion. This is just tube, that's pretty sort of machined bits there. Comes round to here, this is all pretty solid. Like literally, it's one solid piece all the way through there that's then machined. So yeah, it is idling a bit high at the moment, but
the carb is not.
the carb's not really set up, and the cable's chafing on something.
Actually, I need to take it back here somewhere.
Bigger wheel on the front.
That's a mullet.
So yeah.